Feed your entire game day crowd for less than the cost of two pizzas. This hot dog spaghetti disappeared before halftime during my last watch party, and I want to share this recipe with you. It's so easy to make. You are going to begin by taking a 1 pound package of spaghetti and boil it according to package directions. Then grab a large skillet, add in a little bit of oil, saute your hot dog pieces until they become golden brown. Then you're going to toss in onions and green bell peppers, stir until the onions become translucent. Add garlic and spaghetti sauce. Then drain your pasta, put it on a plate, and top with plenty of sauce and Parmesan cheese. And there you go. It's so easy to make. Why not keep it warm in a slow cooker during the game? You can tag us at Copycat Recipes if you give this recipe a try. And if you really enjoy game day recipes, why not come over to GameDayEats.com?